Alright guys, I bought this Hot Wheels Elite RS7 and I'm going to open it up and see what we can find, okay? See what we have here once we disassemble this thing. It says it's a 2021 or a 21 Audi RS7 Sportback Custom. And then it says 2022 Mattel, made in China. So a lot of different markings under here. HGW11 2193EAA, and this is 1186 MJ, 1, NL. Yeah. Got to be careful here with these side mirrors. They really stick out, and I don't know, they just feel a little fragile. So got to be super careful with that. All right, let's drill it out and see what we can see. 3/16" bit. Okay. Whoa. What in the world? There's individual. It doesn't go all the way through? What the heck? That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Never seen individual tires with their own little axles. You kidding me? That's crazy. All right, let's see what we got on the front. I'm assuming it's the same. Maybe I didn't drill enough. Yeah, maybe I didn't drill it all the way through. Oh, no, I did. Yep. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Look at that. I have never seen that, guys. Individual axles for the tires. 4 of them. Wow. Okay. So it's a metal base, and yeah, this is plastic. So this is kind of glued on here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 spots where it's pokes through, and it's glued on the other side. And I'm content to leave it there. It feels loose though here in the middle, but it's pretty solid back here. Okay, that's pretty weird. Wasn't sure what I'd find in this thing. Okay, so we got the interior here. Let's see, it lifts out. Yep. Not too much detail. I mean, there's some, right? But not too much. Does this fold out? Yeah, it looks like it does. Oh, I see. It's kind of wedged in there. Like so. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to detail that up. But be careful with bending these too far. Compromise the plastic. And then you're screwed. Very interesting. Okay. What else we got here? Alright, so we've got some glass. Man, I'm nervous to pop these things in. They kind of push in. And this looks like one whole piece from the front here all the way to the back window. It's all one piece. Okay, so the mirrors are separate. Yeah, the mirrors are a separate piece. Nice, thank you. I was like, how am I going to get those in? There it is. Okay, so you just kind of push in the side windows a little bit, and the whole thing pops out. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I see. There's a little tiny spot where there's like a post for these mirrors, and it pushes through, and it sticks in there. Oh my gosh, that's going to be a nightmare to get out. I'm going to have to really be careful pushing that out, because if I've got to push that out in order to dip it, of course, but I gotta maintain that post to shove it back in later. So I'll have to get something super small and try to shove it out. Wow. Okay, that's going to be fun. All right, and then I've got these frayed pieces here for the grill, and it looks like the headlight. Yep, there's a headlight. That headlight pops out too, so that's good. So the headlight and the grills will pop out. So that's the plastics there. And then I was super happy to see this. You see the red here? I've got 1, 2 spots for the red where I can push out this whole long light piece. And I was concerned about that because I was like, man, I got to get a decal for that. No, I don't. It's one solid piece of plastic across here. So when I go to the decals, I'm going to need a decal for this RS7, the Audi logo, the license plate, of course. Yeah. Okay. So I got to be super careful, guys, popping out these plastics. And then once I get all of that out, I'll be able to dip it. And I'm really concerned, though, about these side mirrors. That's going to be extra difficult, because I'm going to have to push that through. I hope there's not much adhesive in there. That's usually the sticking point. When you're working with these things, they put a little adhesive on them so they stay. But disassembling them is a pain. Trying to push it through. Yeah. Wow. I see how it's on there, but man. Okay, I got my work cut out for me, to say the least, but I am happy that this looks like that's, yeah. This is just painted here. This is painted. I think that's painted too. Maybe it's a decal. Having this light come out the back, that'll be really nice. And of course these front pieces are all plastic. I'll pop those off. So all right, I'm pretty excited about that, guys. I'll be able to do a good job on this now. I got the paint coming in the mail here. I think it's supposed to arrive tomorrow, and that's the Daytona gray pearl effect that I'm trying to match up with this special request for this Audi. But yeah, was not expecting individual wheels. Oh my gosh, never seen that before. What a surprise. What a surprise. So all right, guys, I'll continue to video the construction of this and show you how it turns out. So all right, take care. God bless. See ya.